Hi guys, so today is another Sips by box unboxing and review. So you guys know I receive Sips by boxes every other month. It is a tea subscription service and I get them for free from the company to do a review and share it with you guys. So right now they're actually releasing more different kinds of teas in different collections. I got to choose which ones I wanted, but this one for today is the rainy day box, which is actually not fitting because today is a gorgeous sunny day. But this is probably what I'm most excited about. There's a lot of teas in here that really are up my alley. Let's dig in. So like I always say, there's a little paper in here. This one says rainy day tea box, made for rainy days. It gives you which teas are in the box and all the descriptions of them and everything. Also gives you coupons if you want to buy them and you like them enough to buy them. Now I don't usually buy them just because I get so many of these I can't run through them fast enough. I tend to share them with my brother or my boyfriend. I'm very excited about this. I actually really like the card in here. It says the rainy day tea box and there's a cat sitting in the little Sips by box right here, which is funny because my cats sit in my boxes all the time, so I thought that was super cute. I also have a coupon code for you guys down below if you want to try the box out, which I think you totally should. From my experience, it's just really cool to try new teas and it's a little bit different than like a beauty box or something. Okay, so the first one that we have in here is by brand Chico Chai, and it is a chai tea, which I go back and forth on. I really like a chai latte, but chai tea, like there's some I like and some I don't like. So this is a loose leaf tea, so you'd have to use the little sachet thingies that they give you. So this is called Original Chai by Chico Chai. The ingredients are a fair trade Assam tea, nutmeg, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, pepper, orange peel, star anise, and clove. So this sounds like something I will like because it's very spicy. I can't smell it. I always try. This is an aromatic tea, is hand blended in small batches in Chico, California. It can be steeped for a mild spiced tea or simmered on the stovetop for a stronger brew. This is a high caffeine tea, which I feel like chai tea I like it better at night, but if it has high caffeine I'm gonna have to have that in the morning. Next is a brand that I get a lot. It's the Ahmad brand. This is a black Earl Grey. I'm pretty sure I've actually gotten this tea before, and I really do like Earl Grey tea. So this is just black tea and bergamot. It's high caffeine again because it is a black tea. Ahmad is a British family business with a long tradition. They supply tea for the royal collection, including Buckingham Palace. Ooh. It says this is the best-selling blend, so I really like that. It's just a basic black tea. I already know I like that one. Next we have a turmeric latte, which I think is cool. I've never had a turmeric latte before. I am a fan of lattes. I'm not a fan of turmeric, but I know it's very healthy. So it is by the brand Copper Cup. It is, ooh, you can use hot water or hot milk of your choice. I might do that. I might use my hot almond milk and like see what I think. That sounds super interesting. It smells really bad. Cinnamon helps a little, but it is not good. I don't think I can drink it. I can't. If you like turmeric, you'll like it, but I don't. Let me try it again. Let me try. Yeah. I can't. It tastes like I'm eating like crushed vitamins. It has organic ingredients: turmeric, black pepper, ginger, vanilla, cayenne, coconut milk powder, coconut sugar, and pink salt. It says as you stir in the warm milk of your choice, the natural powers of turmeric and other ingredients in this latte mix combine to help you feel your absolute best for the rest of the day. It is caffeine free. I might try this one today. I'm excited about it. I think turmeric is the most disgusting thing in the world. It smells so bad. But I'm excited to try this one. So I've seen people have turmeric lattes and they look cool. And then the last one in this box is called Discover Joy by Teamotions. It comes, I'm assuming this is another loose leaf tea. It comes in a pack. Oh, it is. You can see it in the back there. It is a green tea, I think, right? It's a rooibos tea, which I'm not usually a fan of, but there's different kinds in here. So there's organic green rooibos. I'm told I'm just butchering that word. Organic green tea, organic oolong tea, organic lemongrass, organic ginger, they're all organic, myrtle, lemon, verbena, ashwagandha, oat straw, and natural flavors. It's medium caffeine. It says, as you sip, find a quiet place and make a list of 10 things you're thankful for and discover joy in them. Carry this list with you for inspiration. Interesting. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. It says lemon vanilla green tea. Interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Lemon and vanilla, does that go together? I don't know. So this is one I'm super duper excited about, but if you want to check out Sips by, which I recommend you do, you can check out my link down below and my coupon code. So definitely check it out. I think Sips by is so cool, and I'm just so honored that they want to keep sending me their products.